To create a new user on a domain where the Active Directory is installed on a Windows 2012 server, we press Start, type User, then click Active Directory Users and Computers. Click on the organizational unit in which we want to create the user, then click Action, click New, then click User. We then populate the fields provided with the necessary information, then click Next. Type the password in the field provided, confirm the password, then make the necessary selection in the checkboxes on the screen. Then click Next. After reviewing the information on this screen, click Finish. The user can now log on to any computer that is joined to the domain. To delete a user, we click to select the user, click Action, then click Delete. Or, we could right-click on the user to get the same menu options. When a user is deleted from Active Directory, he or she is no longer able to log into domain-joined computers and to access the resources of the computer network.